hope.
Yeah, so we need to break it. So if we don't have a big chance to get the goal, So we need to be lonely, maybe to to prepare ourselves firstly, and then we need to earn the money and then we can save it until we can get the money and then earn money. According to me, maybe in my opinion, success, merit is one of the influence factor to success.
Alright, that's what I want. Thank you. Alright, very awesome. So, any question? Any more question to Mr. Rizky? That is very, very awesome in my life. You know what? Come on. Anyone?
I'm Kamar here.
Yeah, I know. No, why? Even though I'm not about but you are my teacher. The best teacher across the world. You know that? Never found people like him. You know what? He can't speak, let's speak around the world. Please.
Maybe I have a question.